And I want that 62 back. That was nice on Saturday. I couldn't believe we had 62 degrees. That was incredible, but only fleeting because here we go again with some winter weather. But this is the only chance of winter weather in our 10-day forecast. So this is a winter weather advisory in effect from 1 a.m. until 1 p.m. Tuesday. So overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. What are we watching for? Well, first things first, today there could be a light snow shower along or south of Route 30, or south of the Turnpike, really. I don't think that's going to cause any problems. But here we are tomorrow morning at this time, and notice that we have some snow to freezing rain sneaking into the area from southwest to northeast. So there could be a quick coating of snow that goes over into patchy freezing rain. You see the pinks here, that's that patchy freezing rain that could put a glaze down on some objects and the roads could make them slick until about lunchtime. After that, temperatures warm above freezing and we'll be dealing with plain old rain for the evening commute. But tomorrow morning, that's when we could see some snow, some freezing rain that would impact you in the morning during your morning travels. So here's a look at the predictor. Freezing rain, how much are we expecting? I think most spots are just going to pick up a glaze of ice to maybe 1/10 of an inch. That's a little high. I think a glaze to maybe 5/100 of an inch of ice. Nothing that would be substantial as far as ice is concerned, but something that could certainly slow you down. So today, our News 8 Storm Team forecast calls for mostly cloudy skies, maybe a little clearing north later this evening, and that snow shower scooting by our southern counties. Tonight, light snow to freezing rain. There could be a glaze of ice. Overnight temperatures are going to hover near 30 degrees. And then tomorrow we'll see freezing rain to rain, damp and chilly, and then steady rain toward evening. So it is going to be one of those days where we get all types of winter precipitation. Here's a look at our almanac. Yesterday's high, it was 44, average is 46. We did get a trace of rain officially in Harrisburg. Temperatures right now, we're sitting in the 20s in some spots, even teens as far as how cold it feels when you factor in the wind. So right now, wind speeds about 5 to 10 miles per hour, and there's your resulting wind chill at 14 in Lewistown and Lancaster, 19 currently in Harrisburg. So yeah, winter's still here. Storm Team Live Radar Network right now, you can see the clouds gradually increasing. We have an area of high pressure over the northeast, but you see this disturbance here that will slide to our south today, just nipping our southern counties with the snow shower this afternoon, and then bringing back the chance of wintry weather overnight tonight. So there's a look at the predictor. Remember, areas south of Route 30 could see that snow shower today. Tonight, here comes that wintry mix overnight into tomorrow morning, which finally transitions into rain by lunchtime. And then we see periods of rain throughout the day. How about Wednesday? Wednesday starts out with some showers, but look at this. We get a little clearing in the afternoon and we could pop back up to 50 degrees. So we go from the 30s to the 50s within a day here. So as far as the rainfall that is going to be falling in addition to the freezing rain, it's going to be beneficial for us. And we have very unsettled weather this week, so we're going to see multiple chances for rain. There could be around a ½ inch out of this first round, at least through Tuesday night. And then as we head into the end of the week, chances for showers are still in there. So we'll have a series of fronts that move up and down the Susquehanna Valley. And each day looks like it gets a little warmer as we head toward the weekend and into next week. Next week, we could be in the upper 60s. Some days might push 70. Talk about a spring tease.